Hello everybody, as you all know, my name is Nikki. I am the Dukan coach in South Africa to teach people the Dukan lifestyle, but with the products that we get in South Africa, as all the products are not the same everywhere. If the book is upside down, please excuse, I don't know how to make it otherwise. Those are just a little letter from Stella to me and from me to Stella. So the recipe book is available through me. And this is the volume 1. Volume 2 is in the making at the moment. I stopped it for a bit, but I've started again because of some family things that we went through. So in the front of the book, it starts with your 100 food list. And at the bottom, it says, how do I put the 100 food list and the recipes together into meal plans, menus? How do I know what, when, and how much is allowed? So if you send me an email on dukanhulpgroep@gmail.com, I will be able to help you with meal plans if you don't come right on your own. And they are very, very affordable. So what is this? So this is now, did I skip a page? Yes, I did. Okay, so here is a little story here about me and also some before and after photos, as you can see there. I had 2 Dukan journeys. The first journey, I lost 50 kilograms in 10 months, which I went to go pick up all again because I thought that, I am now skinny, ek's lekker maar, ek voel sexy, I know exactly what to do, I don't have to do the last 2 phases of Dukan. And what happened? I picked up all my weight plus extra again. And I ended up at 131.8 kilograms. Now that's where those photos comes in. That's what I look like at 131.8 kilograms. There we go. I was so scared that chair was going to break that day. I will never forget it. So I started Dukan and I fell off, and I started and I fell off and I started, and no, Dukan doesn't work a second time. No, Dukan will never work for me again. I've done it once, it won't work again. Until one day where I said, this is enough. I am doing this. And I started, and I've never ever looked back. Next year, March, will be 7 years ago that I started Dukan again, because I said to myself that I want to be 50 kilograms less on my 50th birthday. So I'm turning 56 next year, April. So then I will be maintaining my weight for 6 years already. But the group, my Facebook group, is 7 years old. So there's just a little thingy about my journey. And then at the bottom, you'll see the little purple block. That's where I explain what the purple block is for. So when you go to the recipes and you see that little purple block there, it just tells you on which day that specific recipe is allowed. On a PP day or a PV day. Please remember that the attack phase, which is phase 1, is not the same as the PP days that you get in your second phase on the cruise. There's a big difference between attack and PP on your second phase on cruise. Okay, so please remember that. Then here are all different platter ideas that I've done, a little list for you. Look how absolutely delicious that looks. And those recipes are all in the book, eh? And cute ideas. Then tips for maximizing flavors using spices properly. Dr. Dukan warns us about spices that you buy in the shops because they got a lot of potato starch, salt, sugar, and all of that in. So here's just a little bit of tips that I give you to maximize your fresh herbs and spices, okay? And then we've got popular region herbs and spices. So, now I'm lying. Nou lig ek op hier. Ay, Nikki. So here, what pairs perfectly with beef, chicken, eggs, fish, lamb. Lamb is not supposed to be in there because lamb is not allowed. But you can use that for your family. And then pork and then turkey. So there's all the different spice pairing that you need to do, because we're not chefs. But it's very nice to know that what pairs well with what. Okay. Then on the next page is different regions. So you can take one recipe and you can make an African inspired dish. You can make Caribbean, you can make Chinese, you can make French, German, Indian, Italian, Japanese, Latin American, Mediterranean, Thai, so many different, just by changing your herbs and spices around. Still using your recipe that's in the book, but you are just changing it to different cuisines. Yes, for as well for vegetables, different herbs and spices that goes well with vegetables. Because sometimes we don't know. Even me, I refer back to the book sometimes. So it's eggplant and cauliflower and carrots and cabbage and broccoli. There it tells you exactly, listen, use some fresh dill or basil or oregano or thyme with your broccoli, and that will actually bring out the flavor of your broccoli, okay? How amazing is that? I'm actually very, very, very proud of this. Then there's your index. It starts with 33 puddings, because on Dukan we can have our cake and we can eat it, obviously. But this book is also for people that is diabetic, for people that's having a low-carb diet. So if you're not following the Dukan and you're looking for low-carb recipes, this is the book for you. If you're a diabetic and you need to stay away from carbs and refined carbs, which is what actually, what's the word, sorry, that elevates your sugar, then you must eat according to this book. And I mean, really, diabetics that can have puddings? Yes, they can, because it starts, as I said, with 33 puddings. Okay, and that's the book. So remember, if you take our chicken that morning and you don't know what to make, then you just go to your index, you go to chicken, there we go, and you decide, okay, I want to make Nadia's butter chicken, which is absolutely, absolutely delicious, guys. Your whole family will eat with you. Then you go to page 70, and there you will find Nadia's butter chicken that you can make, okay? So what a special book. 206 recipes that's in here. You will never, ever go wrong. If you don't want to buy the book, we make them now with the Wiro. So they are 600 Rand without courier costs if you want to order one. And then if you want a PDF copy, I can send it to you via WeTransfer, and that costs 200 Rand. So it's less than 1 Rand a recipe. And I also add a free booklet in there to explain to you what the Dukan diet is, with the 100 food list, a few recipes, and then a meal plan that you can just fill in, an example of a meal plan, but also where you can fill in to plan your own meals, okay, for 200 Rand. And that is the recipe book. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Dukalicious day. And remember, use the group, and you can always contact me if there's anything I can help with, because with Dukan, it's the best lifestyle ever. Nothing tastes as good as this feels, and you feel your weight drop meal by meal.